Hi everyone, it's Monica and Lucas from the Garbutt Dumas real estate team, and today we are bringing you a fresh new listing. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath at 101 Morrissey.
On the second floor, with the patio facing the Greenbelt, steps away from absolutely everything you need here in Suter Brook. You have coffee shops, Romer, Moments to the SkyTrain, Thrifties as well, and Brewers Row. In fact, Monica, I'm kind of thirsty. I'm gonna go grab a beer right now while you check this out. Let's go.